This 3D print is a skunk designed by MatMire Makes. I printed it at 75% of the original, and it took 22 hours and 11 minutes to print. So I printed on a raft. I print a lot of my prints on rafts. They sometimes the little fingers and stuff don't adhere to my bed as nicely as I would like them to. When Matt does the designs, he does a brim on them, and that brim just pulled off very nicely for me for the head. So there's the body. And the tail. So there's the leftover leftover raft, which is scrap. The tail is articulated. This little piece here is a support for the ball for connecting the head. The feet will move in various positions once you break them loose. So there's the body of the skunk. Assuming the tail will connect into here. And the head connects in to the front. I was hoping it would snap. It didn't snap. So there's the head, probably not focusing with the black. So we have a black skunk. Pretty durable print. Excuse me. I think this will hold up for quite a bit of use. Probably will stand up. Maybe not. So there we go.